Hello viewers, welcome to ABC High Tech Learning YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the key terms in microprogrammed control unit. Let us discuss about the key terms one by one. First important key term is control variable. Control variable is a binary state variable that specifies a micro operation to be performed. When it is in one binary state, the corresponding micro operation is executed in registers. Otherwise, the state of registers does not change. The next key term is control word. Control word is a collection of control variables which can be represented by a string of ones and zeros. All control words can be programmed to perform various operations on the components of the system. The next important key term is micro instruction. The micro instruction specifies one or more micro operations for the system. In general, every micro instruction contains two categories of bits. One is control bit category and another one is special bit category. Under this control bit category, the bits which are responsible to initiate micro operations are included. And under special bit category, the bits which are used to determine the address of the next micro instruction are included. Here, micro instruction format is given below. As we have discussed just now, this format includes two categories of bits. One is control bit category and another one is special bit category. Under this control bit category, the fields, namely F1, F2, F3. These fields are known as micro operation fields and is responsible to initiate micro operations in the components of the system. And here under special bit category, the fields namely condition field, branch field and address field. These three fields are used to determine the address of the next micro instruction stored in the control memory. And here an example micro instruction in symbolic form is given below. Here symbols for every field in the micro instruction format is given. One symbol is given as an example here in this example micro instruction. Here under control bit category, the symbol programmed to PC2 address register. So it initiates the micro operation to transfer data from program counter to address register. And this program counter to address register, the symbol, it is known as a control word because it is initiating the micro operation in the components of the system. And here the symbols no operation, NOP, under F2 and F3, these symbols does not make any of the changes in the component of the system. And here the symbols under special bit category U, jump and next. These three fields makes an unconditional jump to the next micro instruction in the control memory. And here ORG64, it indicates the address of the micro instruction. And here binary equivalent form of the above micro instruction is given. For every symbol, its equivalent binary value is given here in this example. The detailed discussion about the every fields in the micro instruction format and the possible values for every field in the micro instruction format and its equivalent binary value is discussed in the subsequent video. The next important key term is microprogram. Microprogram is nothing but a sequence of micro instructions. So in this video, we have learnt about the important key terms in the micro controlled unit. Hello viewers, if you feel this video is useful for you, kindly subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.